Good PM. Today is Thursday, March 21, 2024. And here are the 3 PM STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Shore 3 PM draw result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Thursday, March 21, 2024. Here are the STL Shore 3 PM draw result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading Supply Corporation for March 21, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for Thursday, March 21, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.